Hello everyone. In this section, we will understand what resolution is. Raster images are made up of pixels as we discussed in the previous section and have a resolution in ppi, that is pixels per inch. Pixel is the smallest unit of an image. An image having 100 ppi resolution of 3 inch by 2 inch will have an image with dimension of 300 pixels by 200 pixels. This image will have 300 pixels multiplied by 200 pixels means 60,000 pixels in it. If you print this image on a paper, the image will get printed in 3 inches by 2 inches, having 100 dpi resolution, that is dots per inch. Logically, ppi and dpi are the same concepts. But when the image is in the computer, the resolution can be counted in ppi, and when it gets printed on a paper, it can be counted in dpi. Computer tells the printer how many dots it has to print per inch on a paper. Let's understand in detail. Let's go to the image menu and click on image size. You can see dimensions of an image here, that is width and height. There are different dimension units like percent, pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, and others. The most widely used units are inches and pixels. The simplest method to know the resolution is inches multiplied by resolution, that equals to pixels. If you consider the centimeter as a unit, then resolution will be calculated as pixels per centimeter. But for easy understanding, we will consider inches as our default unit. The ultimate size and quality of an image always depends on the number of pixels in the image. For an example, 3 inches horizontal and 2 inches vertical image having resolution of 100 pixels per inch will have 300 pixels horizontally and 200 pixels vertically. But if the same dimension of image has resolution of 50 pixels per inch, will make the image to double the size in inches. The image is now 6 inches in width and 4 inches in height. Similarly, if I increase the resolution, it will reduce the image size in inches. But in these both processes, the number of pixels in the image remains the same. If we want to increase or decrease the number of pixels of an image, we need to select the resample option. We have several methods of resampling the image. By default, the automatic option is selected, but we have different options available for enlarging the image or reducing the image. Now, changing the resolution of the image or dimension of the image will increase or decrease the number of pixels in dimension. But the ultimate formula is the same. Inches multiplied by resolution equals to pixels. Remember that increasing the image in pixel dimension can pixelate the image and reduce the quality of image. You can definitely use tools to make it look better and use filters to sharpen it, but increasing pixel dimension will not increase the quality of image. What is the difference between PPI and DPI? Well, logically both are same, but when the image is in the computer, its resolution is measured in PPI, that is pixels per inch, whereas when it gets printed, its resolution is measured in DPI, that is dots per inch, as we discussed earlier.